Even when every train, tram and bus is running, there just won't be room for every regular commuter, both to get on board and socially distance. So in Nottingham this morning, personal safety was already a concern for commuters.
More people start getting on buses, I'm probably going to find another way of getting to work. Maybe, I don't know, maybe tram if it's not as packed or something, but...
Will you wear a mask?
Yeah, and gloves.
I've not found it an unsafe journey, but I'm a little bit concerned, and I didn't come out with a mask today, which is something I should have done.
Today, the government advised people to wear non-medical face coverings if they can on public transport, where the death toll amongst staff, especially on Transport for London, has been high.
The number who have sadly died with COVID-19, though not necessarily through their jobs, we don't know. On TfL, the latest number I have is 42. On Network Rail, including the train operating companies, the latest number I have is 10. And our thoughts are with all of their friends and families.
So unions are still not convinced that the new guidelines are strong enough.
The public transport system, buses and tubes and trains, will become a magnet for the virus if we see overcrowding, and that's what we've got a real fear about now. The government guidance includes nothing at all about maximum loads.
And even if you can get to work, not every workplace is ready to open. This garden centre in Leicestershire is allowed to admit customers from tomorrow, but it won't do.
We aren't similar to a supermarket in terms of aisles and things like that, where we could space people accordingly. We'd have to regulate the numbers into store. We'd need perspex screens, a lot of signage.
And as for travelling further afield on holiday, say, this year is still fraught with difficulties.
Do we now all have to come to the conclusion that summer is essentially cancelled, holidays cancelled?
I think that's likely to be the case. Social distancing of some kind is going to continue. And I think, the conclusion from that is that it is unlikely that big, lavish international holidays are going to be possible for this summer.
So wherever you've got to go, getting there yourself is still the only truly reliable way to travel, and the only way some people feel truly safe. Carl Dinnan, ITV News.